First, let's open the Code Samples library from the Start menu. Click the Process Images in Multi-Threaded Applications sample. Here you can see a general description along with the link to the source code and developer's help. Methods and objects used in the code sample are highlighted in blue. You can click any of these description links to open corresponding documentation. Now let's click the source code link to open the folder with the Visual Studio solution. Here's where you can open the solution in Visual Studio by double-clicking the corresponding file. Let's go back and click the Run the Sample button to execute the already compiled Parallel Processing Console.exe file. Click Run to confirm. In the command line window, code execution progress is displayed. The first line says, number of workers, 3. This number depends on the number of logical processors. Also, you can see that each worker has a unique ID. Let's open the Task Manager. You can see 3 separate ABBYY FlexiCapture 12 SDK processes. Let's switch to the Performance tab. As you can see, we have 4 virtual processors. You may ask, then why do we have only 3 workers? It is hard-coded this way in the sample mode we are working with. Let's check this out in Visual Studio. We are looking at the file enginespoolmanager.csm, and we will focus on line number 27. Here we set the number of workers equal to the number of processors minus 1. Now let's open the Windows Resource Monitor tool. You can see fcengine.exe corresponding to each worker, and on the right panel, you can monitor CPU usage. When execution completes, all workers are deleted.